Hey, what is up guys? I'm your boy Muhammad Bilal, and in today's video I'm going to do my first impressions of this phone, Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime Pro. So yeah, let's get started. The first three things that people judge in a phone is its design, the display and the interface of the phone. Honestly, I really don't like the design of the phone. Like Huawei's phone, they really attract people due to their design on the phone. But there is no such case in this phone. The design is quite simple and I don't know why on the box it is written that the design is modern and sleek. And so now coming to the display section of this device, display is quite 50-50 I can guess. In this phone, Super AMOLED display type is used for better color production, for wider viewing angles, for higher brightness and extremely lightweight design because they don't have backlight like other LCD phones, and so the pixels are generated by the display on its own. But the flaw that comes in the display is that the display is only 540p. The resolution is very low. So now coming to the interface of this phone, and I guess that interface, all the money is just for interface. $200 are just for interface. The app drawer looks phenomenal, and when you are going to open apps like settings, the intro type thing also looks really nice. Now coming to the performance section, yeah, the processor speed and RAM are a bit low in this price range. You get around about 2.1 gigahertz or 1.7 gigahertz processor, but the processor that is used is 1.4 gigahertz. Yeah, it is quad core, but on other cores in this price range you are going to get octa core and quad core. If you are going to get a quad core, then the processor speed will be high, and so you can say that the performance of this phone will be below average. A person who uses Facebook, Instagram and YouTube, then that this phone will be all right for him. I will be doing a gaming review which will more clarify the performance of this phone in more better way. Now coming to the battery is 2600 mega ampere hour, which drains out after 10 to 11 hours. Now coming to my score for this phone, it would be 4 out of 10, and you have already heard the reasons why I am giving this score to this phone, and I really don't recommend this phone to you. I will recommend you to go for Xiaomi or Huawei phones. Thanks for watching. Bilal signing off. Until then, take care and bye bye.